Talent, materials, continuous drawing, schooling, at social media popularity, all in today's video. Tara! So ayan, welcome sa Brushpoint Academy na maghahatid ngayon sa inyo ng kaunting tips and tricks sa art. Ako nga pala si Red Salonga or kilala nyo bilang si Salongganisa, isang artist or fine arts painter, and as an artist, na-experience na namin dito sa career namin mga bagay na nakapagbukas sa aming mga mata para makita ang mga katotohanan sa mga bagay na narinig na natin simula pa noong nagsisimula tayo as a young artist or kung minsan kahit sa kasalukuyan. Sa video na to, nandito tayo para basagin o sirain yung mga myth o mga kasabihan na nalumaan na ng panahon at ipakita sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang tunay na mahalaga. At gaya ng title ng video na to na Art Lies You Should Stop Believing, here's our first art line na talent is needed to become an artist. With that, we have a quote from Richard Smith from A La Prima 2 na sinasabi, "Don't bother about whether or not you have it. Just assume you do. Then please forget about it." Talent is merely one of those convenient words, like gifted or endowed, that we use after someone has become accomplished. There is simply no way to detect it before the fact or when some is still grappling with the learning process. So kung itatranslate natin ang quote na to, sinasabi na huwag na natin intayin or masabihan na may talent tayo sa simula. Assume na lang daw natin dahil ang salitang talented daw ay parang papuri na lamang sa mga taong accomplished na or may narating na. Walang way para malamang talented ka kung nandun ka pa sa process of learning. Dahil para masabihan ka ng iba na talented ka, dapat may output ka na or may nailabas ka na significant artwork or whatever that may be. Sa madaling salita, regardless kung feeling mo talented ka o hindi, ang nagmamatter ay meron tayong sipag at disiplina dahil yun yung nagpapakita ng tunay na potential natin tulad ng mga professional artists na may napatunayan na. So kung gusto nyo pumasok sa art at natatakot kayo dahil sa tingin nyo wala kayong talent, well, wag na kayong matakot dahil talent is made and anyone can be talented. So ayan, pumunta naman tayo sa second art line na maganda or expensive materials para sa magandang art. Ang mga materials sa art ay isa lamang tool para sa ating mga artist. We must not rely on it for the true value and greatness is within ourselves. Our tools can only be as good as we are. Kumbaga, wala talaga sa tools yan eh. Nasa atin lang. Yourself is your best investment. So let's move on sa ating third art line na drawing lang ng drawing para gumaling ka. Ang pagdodrawing araw-araw, syempre ay napakagandang art habit. Pero dapat sa pagdodrawing natin araw-araw at oras-oras, dapat meron tayong nararating. Ang pagdodrawing palagi ay magkakaroon lang ng katuturan kung meron tayong pinag-aaralan or may natututunan tayo habang ginagawa ang mga to. Now for the fourth art line, art school para makapag-art ako. Ang makapasok sa isang art school ay isang magandang experience. May mga makikilala kang mga bagong inspirasyon at may mga mapupulot kang iba't ibang mga technique mula sa iba't ibang tao na makikilala mo. Many young Filipino aspiring artists are looking forward na mag-aral sa mga art schools, but we should know that this is not the only answer to everything. There are pros and cons and we should know if the one we are choosing is the one that matches our goal. So simulan natin sa pros. It can be a gateway to learning or knowing what to learn. Since schools have a curriculum, lahat ng dapat mong matutunan as an aspiring artist, nakahain na sa'yo. Now for the second pro, it can be a source of connection. At dahil nasa loob ka nga ng isang university or school, marami kang makikilalang iba't ibang mga tao from students and up to your professors na kung minsan magbibigay sa'yo ng mga bagong kaalaman. Now for our third pro, it can be a motivation to persevere on your art career or to study. Since you're in school, you have this mindset of continuously learning every day since pumapasok ka and you have homework to do and there are other students that also strive to be better. They can be a source of your motivation to keep on going and to also of course improve on yourself. And of course, let's not forget about this fourth pro, a degree. This of course certifies that you have finished art school and you are a bachelor in it, diba? Syempre parang achievement yon, and in a way, skill level, diba? At ang pinaka-importanting pro of course is you made your mama proud. Syempre dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na pag katapos ka ng college, sobrang laking karangalan and a achievement for us, diba? Not everyone is lucky to be able to go to college or syempre lalo na art school na expensive, diba yan? Which brings us to our cons. Syempre kung may pros, may cons. And ang unang-una nating cons ay expensive. At dahil nga art school ang napili nating course, syempre marami tong kaakibat na expenses from materials pa lang and from the school itself. Maraming art school na pagpipilian, pero yun nga, nakabase rin syempre sa atin as Filipinos kung magkano nga yung papasukan natin na school. For our next con, most of the time di siya focus courses sa talagang gusto mong path. Since art school ang iyong napasukan at meron silang sinusundan na curriculum, may pagkakataon na nasa sayo pa rin ang susi para gumaling ka. You need to self-study kung gusto mo ng in-depth knowledge on specific topics, lalo na kung doon mo talaga gustong mapunta. So ayan, linawin lang namin na ang art school na tinutukoy namin ay yung mga college universities dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi yung mga online courses, mentorships, or workshops, pero yung mga 4-year long courses. Now for the last art life for this video. More likes equals better art. Ang mga likes na nakukuha natin online ay mga pandabas na papuri lang. Hindi nito nasusukat kung gaano ba talaga tayo kagaling. Maaari maging sukat ito sa kung gaano tayo kakilala sa social media, pero it will never be a basis of how good your art skills are. So as starting artist, dapat never tayong ma-discourage sa likes natin sa ating mga artworks. Pagkat hindi ito batayan kung gaano ka na gumaling or kung gaano nakalayo yung narating mo as an artist. Dapat nakafocus tayo sa mga achievements natin, from awards to little victories like finally being able to draw the whole body without reference or hands, or finally understanding values. So dapat alisin natin sa ating isipan at mindset na ang pagiging sikat ay katumbas na rin ng pagiging magaling or skillful sa art. Likes do not define us, but it will surely help us in marketing ourselves. That concludes this episode. Let's not forget, of course, to appreciate the artwork at the background by Kabukicat. As always, thanks for watching, and yeah, roll out the outro. Bye! That's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like. Maybe even share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't, and since you're here, hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on new content. Till next time, bye!